they say you can't make everyone happy. Have you ever seen a leftover plate of cheese? Come with us and follow the evolution of artisan cheese, as it makes its way from the farm to your table with a delicious recipe. Contrary to popular belief, cheese, eaten in moderate quantities, is an excellent source of protein and calcium. The artisan cheese makers of Oroville make sure that only the best cheese reaches you. Oroville cheese is made with locally sourced milk from in and around Oroville. And there are special fields and pastures for our livestock to graze. After all, the quality of the cheese has everything to do with the quality of the milk. What does artisanal mean anyway? The term artisan has been used for centuries in the food industry, but it was not until recently that its meaning became more widely known and accepted. The word artisan comes from the French meaning, someone who works with their hands, or is skilled at making something using long-established methods. To put it simply, an artisan cheesemaker crafts cheese using fresh and natural ingredients and traditional methods. Do you dabble in artisanal cheese, or are you a full-blown cheese connoisseur? What's your cheese personality? Do you like it soft and creamy, or hard and crumbly? Oroville artisanal cheese is stored and shipped at an ideal temperature range so that the cheese stays moist and fresh. Aren't you hungry yet? Today we're going to share an Italian ragù galette recipe which is sure to satisfy the cheese enthusiast in you. These delicious cheese crepes are addictive, and the best part is, they can be enjoyed at any time of the day. As you can see, these steps are pretty easy to follow, and we know you won't forget the cheese. For more information, you can find the recipe and links to our cheese shop in the description below. Thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to like and subscribe on your way to our website.